This is the West Penn Railway's streetcar right-of-way from Standard coming into Mount Pleasant Main Street. You see the right-of-way. We're now on Cherry Avenue going toward West Main Street. We're driving on what was the streetcar right-of-way. It'll cross over Main and go into its own private right-of-way, heading toward Bridgeport. You're lucky enough to get the green light. Goes behind this firehouse onto its own private right-of-way. Unfortunately, it has speed bumps, so it's going to be a bumpy ride. Paved road is going to come to an end, but you can make out the telephone poles, which depicts the right-of-way, which makes its way down to Iron Bridge, crossing Route 819. I'll drive over here so you can see it a little bit further.